Hello, travelers. Welcome to Traveler's Globe. Today, we're counting down the top 10 destinations to visit this autumn. From Kyoto's temples to Amsterdam's canals, we've got your fall getaway covered. Let's dive into these vibrant autumn escapes. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel inspiration. Kyoto, Japan, stands as a testament to the profound beauty that unfolds during the autumn months. It transcends mere fall foliage, it's a captivating fusion of nature and culture. As the season unfurls, the city's temples and gardens undergo a mesmerizing transformation, donning a tapestry of red, orange, and yellow hues. Walking through Kyoto's historic streets during this time is akin to stepping into a vivid dreamscape, where vibrant maple leaves gracefully flutter around you. It's a place where nature enthusiasts and photographers find solace, capturing the very essence of Japan's profound connection to the changing seasons. What makes Kyoto's fall beauty truly remarkable is its profound tie to its rich cultural heritage. The city's historical significance and traditions seamlessly blend with the natural world, creating an atmosphere that is both serene and enchanting. It's a destination where you can immerse yourself in the rhythms of nature while paying homage to centuries of Japanese history and artistry. Kyoto in autumn is not merely a visual feast. It's a soul-stirring experience that lingers in your memory, reminding you of the profound connection between humanity and the changing seasons. In the heart of New England, USA, the arrival of autumn marks an annual natural spectacle that beckons visitors from both near and far. This splendid transformation graces states like Vermont, New Hampshire, and Massachusetts with a breathtaking canvas painted in warm, vibrant hues. As the season unfurls, the once green forests and serene countryside burst into a symphony of reds, oranges, and yellows, creating a visual masterpiece that captivates the senses. What truly sets the New England fall experience apart is the charming presence of quaint villages and scenic byways that wind through this captivating landscape. These small, picturesque communities seem almost frozen in time, enhancing the nostalgic and idyllic ambience of the season. They offer the perfect setting for leisurely leaf-peeping adventures, where every twist and turn of the road reveals a new vista more stunning than the last. New England's autumn landscape isn't just a visual delight, it's an immersive experience that allows you to reconnect with nature, savor the simplicity of life, and witness the profound beauty of the changing seasons. It's a time when the world slows down, and you can't help but be drawn into the embrace of this picturesque and enchanting atmosphere. Bavaria, Germany, unveils its enchanting charm in a unique way during the fall season. It's a captivating fusion of rich cultural experiences and natural beauty that is nothing short of magical. As the summer greens begin their transformation, the picturesque Bavarian countryside morphs into a stunning canvas of golds, yellows, and oranges. The air carries a crispness that adds to the seasonal allure. One of Bavaria's most iconic events, the world-famous Oktoberfest in Munich, coincides with this beautiful transition. This grand celebration of Bavarian culture, brimming with music, food, and, of course, beer, adds an exuberant touch to the autumn experience. However, what truly sets Bavaria apart is its colorful forests, which provide a striking contrast to the region's charming towns and historical landmarks. Whether you're exploring the medieval streets of Rothenburg ob der Tauber or hiking through the Bavarian Alps, you'll find yourself immersed in a world where tradition and natural splendor intertwine seamlessly. The fall season in Bavaria is an invitation to discover a place where the past meets the present, and the beauty of nature harmonizes with time-honored traditions. Tuscany, Italy, is an enchanting region celebrated for its timeless charm. Its rolling hills, meticulously cultivated vineyards, and captivating landscapes make it a perennial favorite. Yet, it's during the arrival of autumn that Tuscany truly transforms into a breathtaking masterpiece. As summer yields to cooler temperatures, Tuscany undergoes a remarkable metamorphosis. Grapevines and cypress trees shed their green attire, painting the hills in warm hues of red and gold, creating a vivid tapestry that seems plucked from a romantic painting. In this season, Tuscany's charming villages, nestled among vineyards and olive groves, assume an even more enchanting allure. Wineries invite wine enthusiasts to savor the harvest, making it ideal for exploration. Travelers seeking a romantic retreat find themselves embraced by the gentle Tuscan breeze, meandering through ancient streets and discovering historic sites echoing with tales from centuries past. Tuscany in autumn celebrates nature's abundance and Italy's rich cultural heritage. It's a time when the region's essence invites you to immerse yourself in rustic elegance and savor la dolce vita. Whether sipping wine or wandering medieval towns, Tuscany's autumnal splendor reignites your love for Italy. Santorini, Greece, renowned for its breathtaking sunsets and picturesque landscapes, reveals an even more enchanting side during the shoulder season, especially in autumn. This period grants visitors the opportunity to immerse themselves in the island's splendor without contending with the summer crowds. The weather retains its pleasantness, creating an ideal environment for exploring Santorini's distinctive architecture, unwinding on its pristine beaches, and indulging in delectable Greek cuisine in a serene ambience. As the island's allure extends beyond its renowned sunsets, autumn unveils its hidden treasures. The charm of Santorini's whitewashed buildings against the backdrop of azure waters becomes all the more captivating without the bustling crowds. Whether you're wandering through the charming streets of Oia or relishing a traditional Greek meal at a quiet seaside taverna, Santorini in autumn invites you to savor the island's beauty in a peaceful and unforgettable way. Banff National Park in Canada is a haven for nature enthusiasts, and in the fall, it takes on an even more enchanting aura. The Canadian Rockies come alive with a burst of vibrant autumnal colors, creating a breathtaking contrast against the backdrop of pristine lakes and snow-capped peaks. The park offers a wealth of experiences, from traversing scenic hiking trails to engaging in wildlife viewing. However, what truly sets Banff National Park apart during this season is the serene beauty of the landscape. Fall foliage enthusiasts find their dreams realized here, as the park provides an immersive natural experience like no other. The visual spectacle of the changing leaves is complemented by the tranquility that permeates the surroundings. Banff National Park beckons all who visit to embrace the enchantment of the season, making it an absolute must-visit destination for those seeking a deep connection with nature and an unforgettable fall adventure. Dublin, Ireland, exudes its renowned Irish charm and culture, which take on an even more relaxed and cozy demeanor during the autumn months. The city streets come alive with a vibrant carpet of falling leaves, creating a picturesque backdrop for leisurely strolls. Dublin's cozy pubs beckon with their warm and inviting interiors, providing a refuge from the cooler weather outside. The allure of exploring Dublin's historic sites, sipping on velvety Irish whiskey, and reveling in the sounds of traditional music becomes heightened in the gentle embrace of autumn's ambience. The city's rich history and cultural heritage seem to come to life amidst the golden hues of the season, making it an ideal time for travelers seeking an authentic Irish experience. Dublin in autumn captures the essence of Irish hospitality and offers a tranquil and welcoming setting for memorable moments and cherished encounters. Amsterdam, Netherlands, a city renowned for its picturesque canals and historic architecture, takes on an added layer of charm during the autumn season. With fewer tourists, you can savor the city's transformation as the leaves along the waterways change their attire, casting a romantic spell that's ideal for leisurely strolls and boat rides. Amsterdam's cultural treasures, including its world-class museums and immersive experiences, become more accessible during this quieter season. This allows you to explore the city's rich heritage at your own pace, without the hustle and bustle of crowds. The fall ambience in Amsterdam is an invitation to connect with the city on a more intimate level. It's a time when the city reveals its quieter, more contemplative side, offering a perfect blend of natural beauty and cultural richness for those seeking an authentic Amsterdam experience. Cape Town, South Africa, welcomes springtime in the southern hemisphere when the northern hemisphere is transitioning into fall. This unique timing provides visitors with the opportunity to enjoy mild weather and witness the awakening of flora from its winter slumber. During this season, Cape Town's natural beauty comes to life, with Table Mountain showcasing its vibrant greenery, the Cape Winelands inviting wine enthusiasts to explore, and the scenic coastal landscapes along the garden route offering breathtaking views. The city's outdoor attractions are at their prime, providing the perfect setting for hiking, wine tasting, and coastal exploration. As pleasant temperatures and a symphony of vibrant colors envelop Cape Town, it becomes an ideal destination for travelers seeking to experience the rebirth of nature while enjoying outdoor adventures in a welcoming and sunny environment. Asheville, North Carolina, USA, cradled in the embrace of the Blue Ridge Mountains, is an idyllic retreat for those captivated by the beauty of autumn foliage. The city and its surroundings undergo a dramatic transformation as leaves erupt into a kaleidoscope of colors, painting a captivating backdrop for outdoor pursuits such as hiking and exploration along the scenic Blue Ridge Parkway. Adding to Asheville's allure is its charming downtown area, where cozy cafes, artisanal craft breweries, and a genuinely hospitable atmosphere beckon visitors. Here, You can savor a cup of locally roasted coffee, sample the region's renowned craft beers, and engage in friendly conversations with locals who epitomize Southern hospitality. Asheville, in the autumn, becomes a sanctuary where you can immerse yourself in the resplendent natural beauty of the Blue Ridge Mountains while enjoying the warmth of a welcoming community. It's the perfect destination for an unforgettable fall escape, brimming with the majesty of nature and the genuine charm of Southern hospitality. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more travel content. Until next time, travelers, see you in our next adventure.